Have you ever felt stuck in English because your brain keeps translating everything from your native language? You hear a word, then your mind jumps to your language, and by the time you figure out what to say, the conversation has already moved on. It's frustrating, it slows you down, and it can make your English sound unnatural. In this episode, we are going to tackle one of the biggest challenges English learners face: how to stop translating in your head. You will learn simple, practical strategies to train your brain, form direct connections in English, and speak more confidently in everyday situations. Welcome back to Fluent Vibe Podcast, your friendly space to enjoy learning English naturally and effectively. Today, we're going to explore practical steps to help you think directly in English, bypassing translation entirely. This will not only speed up your conversations, but also improve your comprehension and overall fluency. Many learners struggle because their brains automatically translate from their native language. That extra step slows down responses and often causes mistakes. The goal is to form a direct path from your thoughts to English words, a mental highway that allows you to communicate fluidly and confidently. Translating in your head is slow and often frustrating. Imagine someone asks you a simple question like, "How are you?" While your brain is translating, they have already moved on to another topic. This leaves you feeling a step behind. Additionally, literal translations are rarely accurate. Some English words or expressions don't exist in your language, so translating word for word can result in strange, awkward, or even incorrect sentences. By thinking directly in English, you eliminate these problems. Your responses become faster, more natural, and more accurate. Now let's dive into 7 actionable tips to help you stop translating in your head and start thinking in English directly. Tip number 1. Start small with words. The first step is simple. Start with individual words. Look around your room or workspace. What do you see? A pen? A cup? A chair? A notebook? Don't translate into your native language. Instead, think directly. Pen, cup, chair, notebook. Walk around and mentally label everything you see in English. Even 5 minutes a day can make a difference. Your desk, lamp, keyboard, or coffee mug. Each object you name in English builds a direct connection in your brain. At first, it might feel unnatural or even strange. That's normal. Every word you connect directly is a small victory, and these victories accumulate quickly. Over time, your brain starts associating objects directly with English words, bypassing translation entirely. Tip number 2. Use pictures and visuals. Visual learning is extremely powerful. Use flashcards, picture dictionaries, or even photos from your phone. Seeing a picture of a dog should automatically make you think dog, not translate it. This can be applied to animals, fruits, furniture, clothing, tools, or anything you encounter daily. You can turn this into a game. See how many objects you can name in a minute, or challenge yourself to learn 5 new pictures each day. Pictures are universal and help your brain link meaning directly to English words. This technique makes learning interactive, fun, and highly effective. Tip number 3. Form simple sentences. After learning individual words, move on to short, simple sentences. Start by describing feelings or actions. For example, I am happy. I am tired. I drink water. Say these sentences in your mind while performing the action or feeling the emotion. Lift a glass? Think, I drink water. Sit down? Think, I sit down. Feeling hungry? Think, I am hungry. This practice is like narrating your life in English. Your brain starts linking what you feel and do directly with the words in English. With repetition, this becomes automatic. You will begin thinking in English naturally without stopping to translate. Tip number 4. Watch and listen in English. Watching and listening is a passive yet highly effective way to train your brain. Children's cartoons, simple YouTube videos, or this podcast are perfect. Your brain sees actions while hearing words simultaneously, forcing it to process English directly. Simple English songs are also very effective. Songs with actions like head, shoulders, knees, and toes help your brain connect movement with language. 10 to 15 minutes a day is enough. Over time, your brain learns to process English directly, making comprehension faster and more natural. Tip number 5. Talk to yourself. Talking to yourself may feel strange initially, but it is extremely effective. Narrate your day, describe your actions, or express feelings. I am making coffee. I am opening the window. I feel excited today. Daily self-talk strengthens direct English thinking. The more you narrate, the more automatic it becomes. Your brain gets used to forming English thoughts, improving response speed, comprehension, and confidence in real conversations. Tip number 6. Read out loud. Reading English texts out loud reinforces the connection between written and spoken English. Read books, articles, or short stories. Focus on understanding meaning from context rather than translating. Reading out loud also improves pronunciation, intonation, and rhythm, which are essential for natural, fluent speech. Tip number 7. Be patient and consistent. Learning to think in English is like learning to walk. You stumble, make mistakes, and progress can feel slow. That's normal. Consistency is more important than perfection. Even 5 minutes a day of labeling objects, narrating actions, watching videos, or reading out loud builds fluency over time. Mistakes are not failures. They are your guides, showing you what to practice next. Celebrate each small victory, a word, a sentence, or a thought in English. Each connection strengthens your brain's ability to process English directly and naturally. Quick recap. Start with individual words and label your environment. Use pictures to connect meaning directly to English words. Form simple sentences to narrate your actions and feelings. Watch and listen in English every day. Talk to yourself in English. Read out loud to reinforce spoken and written connections. Be patient, consistent, and celebrate every small victory. Here's a challenge. Look around your room and pick one object. Focus on its English word. Just one. That's your first step toward direct English thinking. Repeat daily. Over time, conversations will feel easier, your responses faster, and your English will flow naturally. Why translation slows you down? When your brain translates, it adds an extra step. English, your language, English. By the time you finish translating, the conversation has already moved on. You feel one step behind. Sometimes, Literal translations also make sentences sound awkward or incorrect because English words don't always match your native language directly. To speak naturally, your brain needs to form a direct connection between ideas and English words. Think of it as building a highway in your mind, a fast lane from thought to speech in English. Step 1. Label everything in English. A simple and effective start is labeling objects around you. Look at your pen, your desk, your cup of coffee, or your phone. Mentally say the English word: pen, desk, cup, phone. Do this every day for a few minutes. It might feel strange at first, but repetition builds a strong connection in your brain. Every word you associate directly with its English meaning is like laying a brick on your mental highway. Step 2. Use pictures and visuals. Visual learning is powerful. Pictures, flashcards, or photos can help your brain skip translation. See a picture of a dog? Think dog. See an apple? Think apple. You can make this fun. Try naming 5 new pictures each day, or time yourself to see how many objects you can name in 1 minute. This helps your brain connect meaning directly to English words, making learning interactive and effective. Step 3. Speak simple sentences about actions and feelings. After practicing words, move to simple sentences. Describe what you feel or do. I am happy. I am tired. I drink water. Say these sentences while performing the action or feeling the emotion. Drink a glass of water? Think, I drink water. Sit down? Think, I sit down. Hungry? Think, I am hungry. This creates a direct link between your experiences and English words. Over time, you'll begin to think in English automatically. Step 4. Watch and listen to simple English. Watching shows, cartoons, or listening to simple podcasts exposes your brain to English in context. Your brain observes actions, hears words, and understands meaning without translating. Children's shows are great for beginners because they use simple words, clear pronunciation, and visual cues. Even short English songs can be effective. Singing along and performing actions while hearing words reinforces connections and helps your brain process English naturally. Step 5. Talk to yourself. Narrating your day in English is another powerful tool. Describe what you're doing, feeling, or seeing. I am making coffee. I am opening the window. I feel excited today. Daily self-talk strengthens your brain's ability to think in English, improves fluency, and increases confidence when speaking with others. Step 6. Read out loud. Reading English texts aloud links written and spoken language directly. Focus on understanding context rather than translating every word. Reading out loud improves pronunciation, intonation, and rhythm, which are essential for sounding natural in English. Quick challenge. Right now, look around and pick one object. Focus on its English word, just one. Repeat this every day. Gradually, your mind will start thinking in English naturally. Conversations will feel easier, responses faster, and your fluency will grow. Thank you for joining me on Fluent Vibe Podcast. If this episode helped you, share it with a friend, subscribe, and leave a comment. What's one English word you see around you right now? Keep practicing, stay patient, and I'll see you in the next episode. Remember, learning English is a journey, and every small step counts. You are doing great, and every effort builds fluency. Keep going and enjoy the process of thinking in English every day.